As we all know, COVID 19 cases and deaths are rapidly increasing around the globe. And now, Russia is all set to register its first COVID 19 vaccine tomorrow, triggering safety warnings from pharmaceutical companies. Last Friday, Russia's Deputy Health Minister Oleg Gridnev said that the vaccine will be registered on 12th August 2020. According to Associated Press reports, Putin, the president of Russia, further thanked everyone who worked for the first ever vaccine against coronavirus and described it as a very important step for the world. Putin emphasized that the vaccine underwent the necessary tests. He also said that one of his two daughters has received a shot of vaccine and is feeling very well. Philippine President Rodrigo Duterte has accepted Russia's offer for its coronavirus vaccine, volunteering to take the first shot as a gesture of trust and gratitude. On Monday night, he said that when the vaccine arrives, he will have himself injected in the public first. As per the records, the Philippines has 136,638 confirmed coronavirus cases until now, the highest in Southeast Asia. Amid the pandemic, Russia is one of the several countries racing to be the first to develop COVID 19 vaccine around the world. According to the local association of multinational pharmaceutical companies, Russia's race to allow civilian use of potential coronavirus vaccine before the completion of clinical trials could put people at risk. On 13 July, the reports came out of Russia claiming that their two-part phase 1 trial was success. However, Russia has not published any findings from the vaccine trials. Health experts are also worried that Russia is cutting corners and fast-tracking the process, putting the people at risk. The World Health Organization also stepped in and has urged the country to follow the established guidelines to produce a safe and effective vaccine. Russia currently has two COVID 19 vaccine candidates in the race. One, a vaccine being developed by Vector State Research Center of Virology and Biotechnology. The second is a vaccine being produced by Gamaleya Scientific Research Institute of Epidemiology and Microbiology, along with the Russian Defense Ministry. And by tomorrow, Russia is all set to receive official registration for a vaccine developed by state-run Gamaleya Institute on Wednesday amid concerns raised by various experts around the world. Russia has registered what it calls the world's first coronavirus vaccine as Sputnik V. Sputnik 3, the Russian coronavirus vaccine, has not undergone phase 3 trials. The Russian government has registered the vaccine nevertheless. There has been criticism that in order to be first to develop the vaccine, Russia has omitted several steps that are essential in vaccine development. There are also allegations that Russian government put political pressure on scientists to speed up the development of the vaccine. This say the critics may result to disastrous consequences. Critics say that in order to project itself as world's leading scientific power, Russia has rushed through the process of making vaccine. Until now, Russia has not released any scientific data about the testing of the vaccine. This has raised serious questions on the vaccine. There are also concerns that human testing of the vaccine is incomplete.